Okay, Bachapati, in English, we will be doing this on Wings of Courage. Uh, यहाँ पे एक बेसिकली मिलिट्री प्रोफेशनल की जीवनी के ऊपर है ये, ठीक है। तो एयर फोर्स मार्शल अर्जुन सिंह, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF, Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. तो 1965 में हमारा इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का वॉर हुआ था, और उस टाइम पे इन्होंने एक आईएफ एक्सपेडिशन किया था, ठीक है, इंडियन एयरफोर्स का। द ओनली ऑफिसर टू अटेंड द हाईएस्ट पोस्ट ऑफ मार्शल द एयरफोर्स इक्वलेंट टू आर्मीज 5 स्टार फील्ड मार्शल, सिंह वाज अ फियरलेस एंड एक्सेप्शनल पायलट हु हैड फ्लोन मोर देन 60 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट। इन्होंने भाई साहब 60 से ज्यादा एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाई करने का इनका एक्सपीरियंस था, और काफी एक्सेप्शनल और fearless भी थे, ठीक है। He was hardly having any fear. He played a major role in transforming the IF into one of the most potent air forces globally and the fourth biggest in the world, ठीक है। इंडियन एयर फोर्स को इन्होंने फोर्थ बिगेस्ट बनाया था। पोटेंट एयर फोर्स मतलब काबिल हो जो, ठीक है। पोटेंट मतलब पावरफुल एंड इफेक्टिव, ठीक है, ग्लोबली एंड द फोर्थ बिगेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड। हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडियन एयर फोर्स इज मॉन्यूमेंटल टू द लीस्ट, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा और सिग्निफिकेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन इनका रहा है, ठीक है। The IF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense. Perfect example बोलते हैं जिसको epitome, ठीक है। And therefore not surprising, he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IF Kapil Kark said, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. सैम हमसूजी फामजे जमशेदजी मानेक शॉ, जिन पे अभी अभी एक मूवी बनी थी, देखो सैम बहादुर एक मूवी बनी थी ना, ठीक है। विकी कौशल थे उसमें। ही वाज द फर्स्ट एयर चीफ मार्शल। तो सैम मानेकशॉ एंड के एम करियप्पा वे द ओनली टू आर्मी जनरल्स ऑनर्ड विद द रैंक ऑफ फील्ड मार्शल। फील्ड मार्शल की पहली उपाधि मानेकशॉ को मिली थी, ठीक है। ही वाज द फर्स्ट फील्ड मार्शल। Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Singh has assiduously led the IF during the 1965 war. Assiduously मतलब क्या होता है भाई साहब, बहुत मेहनत से इन्होंने अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान वॉर में लीड किया था, ठीक है। Though it was better equipped with American support, his most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kark. Commending his role in the war, YB Chauhan, the defense minister, had written. आपके बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं देखो YB चौहान के ऊपर, ठीक है। Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, uh, excitable, but a very able leader. In 1944, Marshall had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of Allied forces to Yangon, formerly Rangoon. Okay. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross on the spot by Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot to have received it. तो ये सारे इनके अचीवमेंट्स हैं। ऐसा किसी पायलट को पहले नहीं मिला था जो इनको ये उपाधियां मिली थी, एंड ऑल वाज बिकॉज ऑफ हिज सिग्निफिकेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन। Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force, Cranwell in 1938 when he was 19 years old. He retired from service in 1969. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lyalpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan. पहले के टाइम पे उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ देखिए 1919 है, when पाकिस्तान was still a part of India, ठीक है। उस टाइम पे विभाजन नहीं हुआ था, तो बहुत सारे लोग उस बॉर्डर के उस पार पैदा हुए थे, and he was one of them, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland, Wapiti Bylanes in the northwest frontier province as a member of number 1 RIAF squadron. Okay. After a brief stint with the newly formed number 2 RIAF squadron where the marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. मुझे नहीं लगता इसमें भाई साहब कुछ समझाने लायक है, एक लंबा सा चैप्टर है बस। कब कब इनको प्राइज मिला है, कब कब इन्होंने क्या क्या किया है, उसके ऊपर है। ओके, फिर भी भाई साहब आप लोग किरकिर करते रहते हैं, इसीलिए कर रहे हैं हम। Singh had distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC of an operational base. initially from 1949 to 52, and then again from 57 to 61. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed the AOC in C in Operational Command. Towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed the Deputy Chief of Air Staff, and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. He was overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF and RAAF. तो काफी सारी उपाधियां मिली हैं, काफी सारे इनके अचीवमेंट्स हैं. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of Air Force Arjun Singh took over reins of IAF at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet the new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CS rank. Having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary Gnats and Vampires, he has also flown in transport aircraft like Super Constellation. Super Constellation basically आपके spacecraft का part है, ठीक है? In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armored thrust targeted at the vital town of Aknoor, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination, and professional skills. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraints imposed on the full scale use of Air Force combat power. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition to the Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of CS was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. पहली बार कोई Air Chief Marshal बना Indian Air Force का, ठीक है? So काफी सारे contributions थे इनके. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases and units and flying with his squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. स्विट्जरलैंड के एम्बेसडर बन गए ये. एम्बेसडर मतलब व्हाट डू मीन बाय एम्बेसडर? आप किसी कंट्री में अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एम्बेसडर, ठीक है? Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only five-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. तो इसमें मतलब अगर आपके क्वेश्चंस बने